Marine boy, brave and free, fighting evil beneath the sea. He is a boy, a very special boy, powered by propeller shoes, flying south ahoy, whooshing through the water on a friendly dolphin's back, racing to the rescue of victims of attack. In a flash, he'll foil the foe with a quick boomerang throw. Loyal friend of the sea to the end is a Marine boy. Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do.
Wow, over 130 knots an hour. It's the fastest underwater boat in the world.
We're sure to win the super undersea steeplechase.
Yes, I think we will win that race.
Don't forget, it'll be because my engine is running the boat.
But also, the boat's made of a special metal it's taken us 4 years to develop. This race is going to be the most important we've ever been in.
Oh!
Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the huge underwater speedway. And the entries for the great race are being jockeyed into starting position. Racing fans from all over the world are anxiously awaiting the starting signal. Among the crowd are leading scientists and inventors, and members of the Ocean Patrol.
Marine boy, remember, when you get to the hairpin curve, cut in close to the corner. You'll pick up a few extra seconds that way.
Good idea, Bolton. I'll do my best to win first prize.
Good luck.
Thanks.
That's the special boat invented by Dr. Mariner.
It's beautiful. And I hear it's heat-proof and super strong. You know, Professor Crustacean, I could use a boat like that for my, nefarious purposes. Nobody in the world would be able to stop me.
Wait, Scurv. Let me show you that I've got something that can destroy even Marine Boy's boat.
Hey, look. Look at that strange boat.
It wasn't listed for the race, was it, Professor Fumble?
No, Dr. Mariner.
Ladies and gentlemen, the pilot of that mysterious new boat announces that he'll reveal his name only if he wins.
Well, what do you know?
That's strange, Professor.
Strange is right, sir. Just look at that boat.
I don't like the looks of it.
The Super Undersea Steeplechase is about to start. All the entries are now at the starting line. There's a great deal at stake today. It promises to be the world's most exciting race. Get ready.
Ten seconds to start. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Start.
That black boat's fast.
Do you think it might beat our boat, Bolton?
How can you even ask, Piper? After all, I made that boat that Marine Boy's in. And that means nothing can beat it.
X4 calling Professor Crustacean. X4 calling Professor Crustacean.
This is Crustacean. Go ahead.
I'm ready to carry out the plan.
Hold it. Save it until the last curve.
Marine Boy's boat, number 1, is holding the lead, followed by the mysterious number 13. Marine Boy is now racing at over 130 knots an hour. Folks, it's a new underwater speed record. Boat number 3 is in 3rd place, followed by number 7, and number 10, number 5. The rest of the boats are far behind. Number 3 has just crashed. The crashed boat is right in the way of number 7. Number 7 has crashed into the wreck of number 3. A rescue boat is on its way to the scene of the crash. Let's hope that nobody was hurt. Good news, ladies and gentlemen. The men who were in those boats are okay. Now it looks as if the winner is going to be either Marine Boy or the man in the mystery boat.
Oh, yeah, that's what he thinks. We're gonna beat him.
They'll soon be starting into the final lap, and it's still Marine Boy fighting to hold the lead against the mystery boat. The other boats are so far behind the leaders that we can't even see them yet. Something's wrong with our monitor.
My son!
Come on, Piper. Let's join the rescue party.
I want to go too.
And I.
I don't know.
This is X4 calling Professor Crustacean. The job's done. Marine Boy's boat is smashed.
Excellent. Give me a further report when you can. The first thing I'd better do is give Marine Boy some oxygum so he won't have to worry about breathing down here. He's going to be all right, but he should be taken to the hospital for a checkup.
I can't figure it out, Dr. Mariner. Marine Boy's boat was made of a metal that was crash-proof.
Somebody must have used a new kind of weapon to wreck it.
Who? Who could that somebody be?
That mysterious black boat might give us the answer.
That was a suspicious boat right from the start.
And where is it now? There's no trace of it.
We'll have to try to find it.
The rescue party has gone, Professor Crustacean. There's nobody left here in this area. My job is completed, sir. I think they're taking Marine Boy and that TV cameraman to the hospital.
All right. X5 will take care of the rest. Return to headquarters. Well, have you found out anything about that mystery boat?
Nobody saw which way it went, sir. The address given on the entry sheet was a fake.
Dr. Mariner,
Yes?
have you any idea what could have melted the metal on Marine Boy's boat?
No. But whatever made the boat crash has to be a very powerful weapon. Marine Boy, how do you feel, son?
Where am I?
At the base hospital.
What happened to the mystery boat that was following me?
I'm beginning to suspect that wasn't really a boat after all, but a guided missile.
A missile?
Yes, and the most powerful one in the world.
I believe you're right, Professor Fumble. It could have had some kind of sonar homing device locked onto the sounds from Marine Boy's engine. Then someone using a remote control could have ordered it to attack.
Dr. Mariner's clever. I'll have to be careful. It's time for your medicine, Marine Boy.
You're, new here, aren't you, nurse?
Marine Boy needs a lot of rest. There's been more than enough talking here. You'll have to leave.
Yes, of course. We'll come back later.
See you later, son.
Yes, sir.
That's the boy. You'll be able to leave very soon.
Gee, it's boring here. There's nothing to do. Splasher!
You're supposed to be in bed.
Something important's come up. I'll be back later.
Wait, Marine Boy! Wait! Marine Boy is heading out to sea. Splashy told me he saw a strange man standing along the race course.
Really, Neptina?
Uh-huh, and he followed the man.
You did a good job, Splasher. Show us where he went.
X4, what's going on at Ocean Patrol headquarters?
Well, Professor Crustacean, X5 reports they don't know anything yet, but they may have a lead.
I see. Well, keep a sharp lookout around this base.
Yes, sir.
Professor, you've proved to me that you've got a weapon that can destroy even a boat as strong as Marine Boys.
So you want to order some of them, eh, Mr. Scurv?
Yes, I'll take 30 of them.
It's a deal.
We want to use them right away.
We'll start building them immediately, and you can have them in your hands by the end of the month. This is Crustacean. What's that you say?
Now Marine Boy's approaching the secret base. Marine Boy! What's happened to you, Marine Boy?
He escaped.
Marine Boy calling Ocean Patrol headquarters. Marine Boy calling headquarters.
It's Marine Boy!
I've located the enemy's headquarters. 17 degrees, 34 minutes north. 37 degrees, 18 minutes west.
Got it. We'll be right there. Take some oxygum and you'll be all right, son.
Yes, sir. I'm fine now, Father. It's that way. Let's go!
Mr. Crustacean, we just got a secret report that an Ocean Patrol boat's on its way here.
The Ocean Patrol? But this place is supposed to be secret. How could they have found it? It is headed this way. Use Defense Plan A. Destroy the patrol boat.
Yes, sir.
Watch out, Piper. That rock is opening up. This will be the end of that patrol boat.
Here it comes. My boomerang can't get it.
Marine Boy, quickly, get in. Try to attack it from the back with rocket torpedoes.
Yes, sir. It dodged them. I'll try again.
Bullseye!
Just perfect!
That's Professor Crustacean. Hold your fire! Don't shoot him! My great invention! The child of my genius! Ruined! Shattered!
It's a great new boat, Neptina. Come on and take a ride in it. I will, Marine Boy. I promise I will. Someday.
Once again, Marine Boy and the Ocean Patrol have made the oceans of the world safe. But more thrills lie ahead in the next exciting adventure of Marine Boy.